It's Young John, the wicked producer.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this vlog so I have sweatpants on and stuff like that, as you guys can see. But this is my college apartment tour. I'm in my bedroom right now. I am a junior at the University of Maryland College Park, and I live at the Courtyards apartment at UMD. So this is what my apartment looks like. I live in a 2x2, so it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. And if you really want to know the price, y'all can email me because I don't want to say that. It's kind of, yeah. But if you guys are actually curious and you want to like live here and want to know the price, I'll let y'all know. So this is the door we just walked through, or I just walked through. Then we have an alarm system, and then we have a light switch. And I'll give you 360. That's my room, the kitchen, the laundry room, Tati's room, and this is the living area. So you guys can see like there are lines on the couches on the table. That's because of the blinds. But we have 2 couches. We have a 2-seater and a 1-seater, and then we have this little table. Then we have this TV stand. The TV is Tati's TV. Then we have my Wii, the Wii remotes, and the TV remote. As you guys can see, the TV stand has some shelves. It has 2 shelves, and we have a textbook down there. This is the textbook that was down there. It's Family Law for non-lawyers. So to the left of the TV, we have my balloons. I turned 20 last month on December 5th. So if you haven't checked that vlog out, it'll be linked down below. So go check that out. That's all for the living room. We have windows, couches, table, TV stand, TV, and you know, like and entertainment stuff. To the right of this, we have Tati's room. We're not gonna go in there. And we also have a thermostat, this light for the kitchen. To the right of this little area, we have the kitchen. So this is like a quick overview. I'll start here. So this is like our dining table, kinda. There's 2 people, so we have like a bar stool instead of an actual dining table. Excuse the noise from the background, but we have this because maintenance came to like disinfect the apartment, so they left this. And then we can go here. So here we have a toaster and a waffle maker, and I can't remember where I got these from, but it's not fancy. It's just like a regular schmegler waffle maker and toaster. Next to that, we have the stove and the oven. And then we have our fridge and freezer. So in this drawer right here, we just keep bags on bags on bags for like our bathroom trash and just, you know, just like bags, y'all. I'm not gonna show you what's in every drawer. Let me close this properly. Okay. And then in this one, we just have our pots and pans, rice cookers, blenders. You name it is probably down here for real. Okay, I'm not gonna open this one, but here I'll open this one. Here we just got our spices. We have heck of spices, a lot of spices. There's more in the back. We have lemon juice, pancake syrup, cereal, oil, just, you know, just random stuff, y'all, but it's very necessary. These are necessities. So we have that, and I already showed you this. On here on the fridge, I just have these 2 things. I got this last year, I believe. I think this went 2017. I think that was last year. Yeah, last year fall. I got this from a friend, and it's so cute. I love it, love it, love it. So to the right of that, we have a recycling bin, and then we have the laundry room, which I'll get to next. But then here we have another, like it's the same thing from here. So we have that up there. We have those up there. I'm not gonna open them. Maybe I'll open this one because you guys can see what the other one looked like. But this one just has like dishes and stuff. So it's kind of messy a little bit. The top, there's a lot going on at the top, but y'all get the point. Then we have the sink, you know, dishwasher. We have a fruit bowl. Then we have like cooking utensils over there. Then we have more storage here, y'all. So on the first one, we keep forks, knives, and stuff, cutlery. So I just opened this one. This is what it looks like. Yeah, we don't have much food because we're on break and we're not really staying here. So after that, there's more storage here. There's a trash can right there. And there's also like this little mat thing I got, and I really like the floor throughout the kitchen and the living room. I really like it. So yeah, now we're going to this room, and this is the laundry room. So up here we have a basket, we have blankets that we use when we're chilling in the living room, so we have that. Then we have our washer and dryer, and then we just have like laundry detergent, baking soda, stuff like that. We have some brooms, we have a mop, and we have a Swiffer, and then we just have some boxes. So that's what's in here. So we're gonna close that. Oops, let's turn off the light first, y'all. Alright, so then that's all that's in here. So from the kitchen, this is my room. So this is the door to my room, and this is what she looks like when you're standing out the door. Have my bed here. I moved everything around. You guys should know this by now, but close the door behind me. We'll start from the door. So this is the door we just walked through. We have a light switch, which I rarely use because I don't like the light in here, but I'll show y'all. Like, ew. But we have that. Then we have my desk, and like we have like a white thing going on at this desk. So we got my lamp, which I've had since freshman year. I have a diffuser, which I use, and I love it so much. We have a calendar. Like I said, we're on break. We don't go back to school till the 28th. Then we have a picture frame of me, Denisha, and Chelsea. Above my desk, we have this. You probably remember some of this from my Oakland dorm room. It says Most Royal Queen Alma. It has a Ghana flag. Kim made that for me for my 18th birthday freshman year. These pictures are looking kind of raggedy, but hear me out, y'all. But it's been up for like 4 months now, so like the tape is wearing off. I'm gonna retape it so it doesn't look as bad. But on top it says Alma S. And this is one of our name things from work last semester. Or not last semester, last year. So I have pictures, and I have this birthday card they made for me last year when I turned 19. And everyone signed it. Ooh, y'all see that tape right here? Like, this stuff needs to be retaped. I have this card that they got for me at my internship. And then the RA staff made me this. And yeah, I have my pre-law fraternity thing up there as well. I guess I can go into the desk. In this drawer, it's just like school stuff. I have some command hooks. I think I want to use the command hooks to hang up my keys and wallet up here. But as of now, I've been keeping my wallet and my keys here. So it looks a mess, but it's actually like very clean. Like when I take that out and the charger, it like looks decent. But that's what it looks like with it in there. Underneath, I have my printer. I have a picture frame, which I don't have any space for. And we have this chair. And then in this drawer, oops, in this drawer I have a card my friend made for me. I have a birthday card. This card is really cute, y'all. Let me show y'all. This is really hard to do with one hand. Okay, but y'all get the point. And then I have another card my friend made for me. And then my Apple Pencil case. I got some printer paper, cards, folder, notebook, you know, just random stuff, y'all. To the right of that, I have my trash can. I've had it since freshman year. And then we have my bathroom, which we'll go through later. Then we have my TV. And then we have this. I had it last year. So at the top, I have an A for Alma. I have a picture of me and a friend. Another picture of me and Bree. And then a little camera thing. Here I keep my makeup stuff. Not all my makeup is here because once again I'm on break. So that's just some of my makeup that I left here. Then in this one I have like technology stuff. So I have my camera bag. I have these lights, but I'm going to give them to Dell. I have a camera box. I have my iPhone box. I just kind of have a lot going on. Here's like my everyday stuff. Here's just random stuff. And then in this one I have like just bags and hair stuff. And a lint roller, and maybe the lint roller should go on the random one, but a shower cap and stuff. Then we have my closet, and then we have my nightstand. Right here, I have this to-do list. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. I'm probably not going to do anything with it. Probably leave it there. Here I have two pictures of me and Denisha, and then me and some of my other friends. Then I have this jewelry holder which has an A, and it has some of my Alex and Ani bracelets on there. And then I have my nightstand, kind of looks reckless, but I have my Beats pill, I have my Beats headphones, I have my Beats charger, gum, like a sleeping mask, more pictures to put up, a picture frame. Just got some stuff here. And then here, this charger is like usually like under the bed, but it's charging something. But I have these boxes which I got for Secret Santa. So one is up there and the other one is here. I have my Beats box, I have my iPad and my laptop down here. Next to that I have my bedding. So this is what my bed looks like. This year we went for like a gray, yellow, white theme, so that's what we got going on. And all around my room I have these lights going on. And above the window in my room it says, "If life gives you more than you can stand, kneel." And I also had this last year in my dorm room, so yeah. So now we're gonna enter my bathroom. It's kind of dark in here, so let me turn on the light. So this is what my bathroom looks like. We kept the same theme going, so we have like gray carpets and stuff. So this is what my shower curtain looks like. I really like it. It's white and gray. And then a little trash can. Y'all know, just some regular stuff. A toilet brush holder at the toilet. This is what my sink looks like. I have a soap from Bath and Body Works. The sink has like some marbly design, if you can see it. Then I have my toothbrush and my toothpaste just chilling in the corner. I did buy a toothbrush holder, but I never found it. So under here, I just keep some cleaning supplies, some extra soaps. Like I have a whole bunch of extra hand soaps. These are from Bath and Body Works. Extra toilet paper, a mirror, just like, you know, random stuff. Once again, this is my bathroom. It's the bathroom door we just came out of. Then we have the TV. Then we have this mirror. And the mirror is on the closet door. This is a closet light. Looks like the light's already on in here. Whoa, this looks like a lot. But here I have this like over the door hanger rack thing, and I have my purse on here and my winter jacket because we live in Maryland and it's just like bird out here for real. And then we have this rack. I keep my pants, my jeans, and some scarves and stuff. Then under here I have like some extra school supply stored down there. I've had that since freshman year. The lighting in here is not the best, so I'm gonna try to hurry up. Up here I just have an extra backpack. I haven't used that. I'm gonna use that. Then I have a Target bag which I got when I went to Target one time. I have a box which has my studio lights in there. I just have some extra stuff in these containers, and then I have my iron. Then underneath that I have my dresser. It's 4 drawers, so that's a lit. Then I have a little laundry basket down there. These are my clothes that I left here over break. It's kind of a lot. And I have a shoe rack, and then I have a little container thing over there that has some stuff. I'm trying to get out the closet because the lighting is not the best, so yeah, that's what we have going on in the closet. Here's another 360 of my room if you guys want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what my apartment looks like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.